So, I guess this is it. I always thought, well, that doesn't matter now. I always thought somehow, someday, I would figure out what I'm good for. But now, it's clear. I'm not good for anything. I guess I should say, don't blame yourself. It is not your fault. No, fuck it. If you feel a little bit sorry for me at all, it is your fault. It's everyone's fault. It's my father's fault. Mom, this is your fault. It's everyone at school's fault. All the students, all the teachers, the principal. This is all your fault. I want the guilt to eat you up. I want you to wonder what you should have done for the rest of your life. What am I talking about? No one will miss me. No one will care. No one will feel bad. They all will be happier. Could never fit in. I'm too weird. And that's not going to change. I cannot be who I am. I wouldn't know how. So, guess I'm not going to get to kiss a girl. Never see a red-crowned crane in the wild. But what's the point of that anyways? It's just a fucking bird, right? No one cares about a fucking bird. I'm sorry for being in your lives, for wasting your time. Okay, this is it. Goodbye. In my next life, I'd like to be a bird, if requests are allowed. So long. Hold on a sec. I might be hallucinating.